Hi friends, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's look, we're going to be using the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows palette number 1 in True Neutrals. The tones in this palette are absolutely stunning, so I really wanted to create a look with this, and I really hope you enjoy it and try it out yourself at home. To begin, I'm concealing and priming my eyelids with just some concealer. I find this works the best for me. And then I'm going to set all of that down with the shade Nookie Rookie. The next shade we're applying is called Come and Get It, and I'm applying this in a diagonal as if I'm doing a sort of wing liner, if that makes sense, but I'm just buffing it out and then I'm connecting it to the crease and working that shadow into my crease. Also notice how I'm gradually building up the color and the pigment of this. I like to start really light so I can map it out, and then I build it up so I can be a bit more precise and execute it a bit nicer. I also go in with a bigger blending brush at the end to just buff it all out to remove any harsh lines, harsh edges. I want it to be nice and smooth. Going in with the shade Affogato, I'm pretty much applying that on top of what I just did. So starting with the diagonal as if it's a wing, but we're just blurring it out, blending it out. And I'm doing the exact same thing as before, gradually building up that shadow, building up the pigment to reduce the chance of me stuffing up. With the excess, whatever I have left on my brush, I am pushing it into the crease to give that crease a little bit more dimension. Once I'm happy with the shape, I then begin to deepen up the color and also push it a little bit more onto my outer lid, because I do want this outer corner to be quite dark. This blending is in real time as well, just so you can see how long it takes me, how my brush strokes go, and so forth. And then I'm grabbing my fluffy blender brush again at the end, and I'm blurring out any harsh lines or harsh edges. Going back in with the shade Come and Get It, I'm going to pop that right next to Affogato and to build up the brown gradient. Notice how I'm going in circular motions. This is to help it all blend much nicer. Going in with the shade Tequila Night, I was going to do a cut crease, but I thought I'd keep this very beginner friendly, very quick, simple, easy, and I just popped this shade all over the front part of my lid and gently tapped it on the outer part. Going back in with Affogato, I am going to blend it all in nice and smoothly and just tidy up a little bit of the shadow. Now going in with Come and Get It, I am once again tidying up any sort of mess that I may have made and deepening up that crease even more. With the shade Simmer Down, I'm popping that on my inner corner and a little bit on my brow bone. This was like a pink shimmer shade, which I kind of like how it contrasted with the golds and the browns. It was a nice little pop of color in there, which I thought was subtle but really nice. Now with my micellar water, I'm just going to wipe away any fallout and clean up so I can apply the rest of my makeup. For the bottom lash line, I'm going in with Come and Get It, and I'm really buffing it in, blurring it out. This is the first shade we're applying on the bottom lash line. There is still more to come. Going in with Affogato, and as you can see, the brush is a very flat, stiff brush. I'm going really tight to my lash line, and this is where the fun bit begins because I've never done this type of look before. I've always wanted to try a shadow wing, and I thought this would be perfect for this little practice. So I'm going straight from my bottom lash line all the way up into a wing, and it kind of worked out really nicely. I think this really tied the look together and took it a next step into a bit more glam, and it was really easy to do. And then going back in with Simmer Down, I just reapplied a little bit on my inner corner to make it pop a little bit more. For my waterline, I'm using a brown cream gel liner. And I'm applying some mascara, and I was going to do false lashes, but I didn't think it needed it. So I just left this look as it is. This is the finished look, no false lashes, and I think it looks so lovely. I'm obsessed with it. I hope you love it. Hope you try it out. Please let me know if you do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in a few days for a new tutorial. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, bye! Thank you for watching!